2131 is the lead in Sholi constituency for Shripad Naik, and I really thank all my ward members, all my supporters, all my karyakartas and all my voters for coming out in large numbers and voting for Shripad Naik.
ओके, तुम्ही पार्टी स्विच करून आलेले पण डिफिकल्ट झाले
काय जाऊंक ना डिफिकल्ट. I mean we worked hard for it.
सो आतून बीजेपीच्या काय लोकांनी बीन श्रीपाद अगेन्स्ट काम केलं असे बोवाळ चलतालो शिवोले.
ते आम्ही आमच्या सीएमाक प्रेसिडेंटाक सांगतली.
पण खरे केला अशें
इट लुक्स लायक
म्हणून लीड इतली कमी
म्हणून लीड कमी झाल्या. अदरवाइज इट वुड हॅव बीन टचिंग 5000 लीड.
5000
माय से.
इवन आरजी इज डुईंग वेल. कितें रिजन कितें तुमच्या हातून कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन?
For my during my election also he had RG had got around 3500.
सो
त्याने मेंटेन केलं.
बीजेपीची काय मतं स्विच काँग्रेसीक झाली म्हणता तुम्ही काँग्रेस कॅन्डिडेटर?
It looks like no. Otherwise, BJP votes and my votes, the lead should have been there to 5,000 to 6,000 lead.
Okay.
It has happened. We will inform the CM. I have already informed the BJP president during the before the election. Before the election, I had informed the Shripad Naik also, candidate. I had informed the BJP president also. They should put survey, do a survey in actually each and every constituency. I am telling you, they should do a survey in each and a constituency. Central government should do a survey and find out the facts.
मॅडम आता सेंट्रली पळयत जाल्यार ते 400 पार म्हणटाले पळय ते 400 पार दिसना.
That I cannot tell about full of India, but my constituency I will tell.
असं टॉकिंग अबाउट युअर कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी ओनली मॅडम, जी तुम्ही म्हणता की काय बीजेपीचे सिनियर लिडर्सांनी काम करूंक नाका?
No comments.
No comments on that.
Thank you.